It's compact but powerful.
It's wonderful. I just love it.
It does everything.
It's great.
It's simply terrific.
The amazing Mantis Tiller Cultivator is making gardening easier for everyone. Homeowners and gardeners of all ages are discovering how the Mantis Tiller is the lightweight, affordable little dynamo that makes it easy to handle virtually all of your gardening chores. The Mantis Tiller Cultivator is the only tiller you'll ever need. This remarkable little machine takes the place of those big, expensive tillers that are so clumsy and hard to control. The Mantis Tiller helps you with chores bigger tillers can't touch. The Mantis weighs only 20 pounds, so it's easy to store and carry, or load in a car with no problem. The Mantis Tiller's compact size and convenient 9-inch tine width lets you till in all types of tight places. In narrow rows, around delicate plants, in between bushes and shrubs, and close to fences and walls. The engine is mounted directly over the tines, which allows the Mantis Tiller to be maneuvered effortlessly. You can even pick up the Mantis Tiller and use it in areas that you would normally work by hand.
I've had my Mantis Tiller for about 8 or 9 years. It's dependable, it's rugged, it works in small spaces, it works in big spaces. It's just a great machine.
It's so easy to use. I can start it myself. I can run it through the garden, don't need my husband's help, and it doesn't hurt my back. And I've had lots of back problems previously. Can pick it up. It's just really great. I enjoy being able to use it, and it's super easy.
The Mantis difference is superior engineering and design. The people at Mantis have been making small tillers longer than any other manufacturer anywhere. They're real experts when it comes to small tiller design. And all Mantis tillers are made with good old-fashioned ruggedness and dependability right here in the United States by people you can count on year after year.
Many of us at Mantis are gardeners, and from the beginning we wanted to create a small tiller that was light enough that any age gardener could enjoy using it. It had to be easy to pick up and carry, it had to be easy to start and operate, and it had to be compact so that it would work well even in small gardens. And most of all, the Mantis Tiller had to be affordable so that it would be a sensible purchase even for people with smaller gardens. I guess you could say we have a passion for making a good product. We never scrimp on materials, and we never take shortcuts that could jeopardize quality. We think we make such a good tiller that once a gardener tries one, they'll love it as much as we do. In fact, we believe so strongly in this that we make a promise to all of our new owners. We let them use their new Mantis Tiller for a full year, risk-free. And if they're not completely satisfied, we'll give them a full refund with no hassles.
The things I like best about the Mantis Tiller are the fact that it's lightweight, doesn't hurt my back, churns up the soil, easy to use. I can get right up to the edge of the garden space, carefully walk it around, and then just break up all the soil. The Mantis Tiller is simply terrific.
When it comes to really tough jobs, the powerful little Mantis Tiller Cultivator will surprise you.
Frankly, I was a little skeptical that a small tiller had the power to do the work that the big tiller I had. But boy, was I surprised. My Mantis Tiller has plenty of power. It breaks up new ground, even the hard clay we have. It digs deep and really pulverizes the soil. It's incredible.
The secret that sets this amazing little dynamo apart from other small tillers is Mantis's unique engineered power system. The tough commercial-grade engine, rugged transmission, and patented serpentine tines are specially designed to work together to give the Mantis Tiller unmatched performance, reliability, and power. And the unique patented tines have a serpentine shape, which lets you cut through the hardest soil and dig down to 10 inches deep. The Mantis Tiller will even break new ground. No other small tiller can do that. Other small tillers use bolo-shaped tines. They're fine for cultivating, but they can't break through tough sod or hard soil. Often you have to buy optional, expensive digging tines if you want to do more than just cultivate. But with the Mantis Tiller, you get the best tines for tilling and cultivating. There are no other tines like these. They're made with hardened steel and are so rugged, Mantis guarantees them against breakage forever. The Mantis Tiller Cultivator is a practical gardening and landscaping solution because it's so versatile you can use it nearly all year long. In the spring, the Mantis Tiller is ideal for getting your vegetable garden ready for planting. You can work in compost and other nutrients. The patented tines dig down deep and churn even the hardest soil into ideal planting and growing conditions. And since the Mantis Tiller is so easy to put to work, you can till only the areas you want to plant right away. Mantis helps improve your soil too. At the end of the growing season, you can till in old plant material and help produce a rich, crumbly loam for next year. Your Mantis Tiller Cultivator will become an indispensable gardening companion all season long.
I love my Mantis Tiller because it's so lightweight and versatile that I use it all the time. Use it for weeding. You're able to till that green stuff back into the dirt and it becomes food for plants for next year. You can use it in the fall to get things ready, prepare your beds so that they can winter over and they'll be ready for next year. So when spring comes, you get it out again and go for it. I love my Mantis Tiller.
Weeding with the Mantis Tiller Cultivator is a snap. Just reverse the tines and you're ready to shallow cultivate just 2 to 3 inches deep so delicate plant roots are not disturbed. And talk about fast. You can weed an entire 20 by 50 foot garden in 15 or 20 minutes. Your Mantis Tiller Cultivator will even help you dig holes for planting trees and shrubs, or drainage ditches and trenches for outdoor lighting, irrigation systems, and other uses. And that's not all. With the affordable optional Mantis attachments, you have a complete garden and lawn care system that will help you transform your property into a showplace. The Mantis does everything from tilling and weeding your vegetable and flower gardens, to digging neat furrows for planting, to trimming your ornamentals, to cutting crisp, clean borders, to dethatching and aerating your lawn. The Mantis will even clean your walks and driveway. All the Mantis attachments streamline your outdoor chores, and you can purchase them with your tiller or later on if you wish.
I like the Mantis Tiller because the attachments are easy to take off and put back on. It's easy to start. It's lightweight. It doesn't pull your arms off when you're using it.
All year long, your Mantis Tiller Cultivator goes to work for you, and it gets the job done easier, better, and faster than you ever thought possible. Your Mantis Tiller lets you spend less time working on your property and more time enjoying it. Remember, Mantis is so sure you'll love your new Mantis Tiller Cultivator, we offer you this special Mantis promise. Try any product that you buy directly from Mantis with no risk. If you're not completely satisfied, send it back to us within 1 year for a complete, no-hassle refund. The rugged little Mantis Tiller Cultivator is also backed by a full 2-year warranty. If any part fails due to defects or workmanship, we'll repair or replace it absolutely free. And remember, the Mantis Tiller's patented serpentine tines are guaranteed against breakage forever. No other tiller manufacturer stands behind their products with as much confidence as Mantis, because there's no other tiller like the Mantis Tiller Cultivator. That's why Consumers Digest awarded the Mantis Tiller Cultivator with its Best Buy rating, and why the Handyman Club of America certifies the Mantis Tiller as member-tested and approved, so you can become a Mantis owner with confidence. If you order your new Mantis Tiller Cultivator now, we'll send you a Border Edger attachment absolutely free. The Border Edger is one of our most popular attachments. It helps you cut neat, clean borders around gardens, walks, and driveways, and it's yours free. Also, if you order now, you'll receive a free subscription to the Mantis Owners Newsletter. Each issue is packed with practical gardening tips and special offers for Mantis owners only. So give us a call at 1-800-366-6268 or fill out and return the order form and start using the incredible Mantis Tiller Cultivator for a full year absolutely risk-free. Order now, and you'll soon find out why gardeners of all ages agree that the Mantis Tiller is the 20-pound wonder. that makes it easy to handle virtually all of your gardening chores.
We at Mantis have a relatively simple goal that we try to think about in virtually every action we take. And it's a little phrase that's on our stationery that says, "We make gardening easier." And so in the product we provide, in the service we provide, and the way we treat other people, we try in everything we do to make gardening easier. And if we can make a product that will last longer, work better, and be more versatile, then it fits. It's Mantis. We make gardening easy.
The Mantis Tiller Cultivator. We make gardening easy.